First, the angle is right now set at 90 degrees. It goes between 0 and 180. So
Are there bullets loaded in there?
there are currently bullets loaded. So let's just do some first angle rotation. So you do the set command, you call A, and then you have to input a 3-digit number. So right now it's at 90. Let's set it out to maybe 10 degrees. So rotate to 10 degrees, and then we could do a full rotation to set angle to like 110, and then set it to full angle to 180. Okay. And then sometimes, but we're going to set the angle to 100 because that's the one that most optimally hopefully will hit the table. And now this is where a lot of our graphics come in. If you set the velocity high, so we're going to set it at an intermediate value of half, you can hear the motor start running, and then we get a trajectory calculation. So the dot there shows the expected location, and then the trajectory is graphed here. Also, you can see that the impact is, you see that the angle is on offset, and then we have impacts here of the expected x and y coordinates, and the velocity and angles are here. But they're not just limited to various numbers. They can be limited to backspace.
Backspace.
Okay. Oh, backspace does work, but we can. But sometimes if you set the velocity too high, when it's wrong, it just goes haywire because we're still parsing the inputs, but we don't do any input cleaning. So it's still trying to perform the calculations. But does this show that backspace does work? And then, but we can set the velocity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that everything is still calculated accordingly. Set the angle to 1, 1. You can see the rotation and things are still changed. So set the angle back to 100, and we're going to set the velocity to. Where do we set the velocity? We're going to set the velocity to 13,000. So backspace does work. That was very annoying when we didn't have backspace. We'll set that speed there, and then we're going to go for a fire. So let's just move out because our goal, hopefully, if we get it to work, it'll hit the table. It didn't. Okay, fire again. It was so it's not the velocity is higher.
It's just the bullet you're using. It's not aerodynamic.
Oh!
But it's not consistent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try like 15.
That's the problem.
Fire. So you see, consistency is a big problem, but I just really hope it'll like hit the table. Okay, so we're gonna collect some bullets and show queuing. So Trushul, why don't you put up some cues?
It's automatic?
Yeah.
On the other side, so I can actually catch it shooting.
So what you can do is have a set angle and then have a set velocity. So right now we're going to put it at 90 and half speed, and then if you type in Q, that impact will show up at the bottom.
This position is one of them that we've queued now, and then we change to another position and set the velocity to be something else. The bot will speed up right now.
Yeah, don't change the angle right now. Yep.
Okay, so now if we hit Q as well, it's going to show up in the second position, so that's going to be like our second target. And then let's say we want to do one more.
Yep.
That is the limit of what we're able to do right now.
And then if you cue that,
Okay, so now if we hit launch, then it's going to do this whole sequence.
this whole sequence from the beginning. So this is at 110 at angle 90, and it will should shoot.
Oh no, it didn't fire.
Okay, it got jammed, unfortunately.
No, why
did
we'll run it again after.
Well, we'll run it again, but you could hear the angle changing and then the bullets firing. And
Wait, let's just do it again. I'm going to do it again.
take one of the bullets out. Yep. Yeah.
The back that's not coming out.
Oh no.
So because now we're at a higher angle.
No, wait, hold on. I'm gonna fix this. There you go. Just do a quick fire to make sure. Is it gonna do?
Do a launch, yeah.
So it's gonna do this launch sequence again. So that's at new speed. And then it'll change the angle, speed up. Close. And then send this angle, and then max speed.
Oh, that's totally going to be. Oh!
Shoot. Okay.
So now it's done firing.
Yeah. So feel free to come. So we're gonna set the velocity off, but feel free to come demo, ask us any, or since you guys still have questions.